MTM Productivity Services Corporation is a U.S.-based company offering MTM Systems training, productivity consulting, and software sales and support. Our certified MTM trainings are offered in self-study e-learning, instructor-led classroom, and webinar formats. Leading global manufacturers, logistics operators, and other industries using human work rely on the internationally recognized MTM systems for determining work standards during the planning, production, and improvement phases. Our experienced staff is here to serve customers in the United States, Canada, and all other areas of the world. We specialize in human work design, ergonomics, and setting labor standards using MTM systems. In addition, MTM Productivity Services Corporation offers a leadership training program coaching all levels of management, from frontline supervisors to senior management, to work as a unified, efficient team, driving OEE to new heights. For more information and contact details, please visit mtmproductivity.com.